So I want to ask you something. Igbo people say can jog. Do you know what is happening in the bank right now? Hey, as I'm talking to you, I've done over 5 transfers and the money have left my account. My account have been debited, but on the other end, the people I sent the money to have not been credited. You dey hear me? Ha. Even if I have 10 ATMs today, because of the new naira note and the cashless whatever that is happening, everybody they affected. With 10 ATMs, you cannot withdraw above 200,000. This scenario alone is an example for you to know that your money in the bank is not only that the value will keep diminishing, but you will not be able to access it whenever you need it. People are crying in the banks. Even to collect their own hard-earned money to feed is now a problem. The best thing you can use that money, those hundreds of thousands and millions, keep in that your account. The best place to use it is to invest it into real estate. That is why Pekle Real Estate Consultants, aka Madam Pekle, Madam Dollar, I'm always here giving you good news, bringing beautiful opportunity for you to invest in beautiful lands. Not lands in the bush, lands already established place where people are living, where we have companies. And these lands that I'm telling you about, this particular land where you are seeing me standing, you see all of this land that you are seeing is owned by Mercy Homes and Properties. You hear that one well, be like say you don't hear well. Come close, make I tell you. I tell you, say, you see all this land. You see all these lands where they here like this. Now Mercy Homes and Properties now get them. And one plot is 30 million naira. You hear me well? 30 good million naira. Just few years down the line, in this particular place, people were buying land for 5 million, 3 million, 6 million, 7 million, and they do guide. But today, how far? So, what did I tell you? Be say, sharply call me. The number is here: 09034296519. You call me to come and collect your own plot of land for just 30 million naira. If you say your money no reach 30 million, I have another land for 7 million. I have for 10 million. I have for 3 million. Yes, at Rumukurushi, we have some plots of land there for 3 million naira, 4 million naira. So any category where your money there, we get land for you. So quickly call Madam Pekle Africa, may you get your land. Make you don't say I don't tell you, because Madam Good News we always tell you. So that tomorrow, you not go come say had I know. Because me, I go always remind you. If you don't see me for this, you go see this video. Say, I wish I listened to that Madam Pekle Africa that I saw that time. But I know that you will not regret it, because you are going to pick up your phone right now and you are going to dial it, and you are going to be dialing 09034296519, and you shall come for inspection and you shall transfer your money, 30 million naira, and your documents will be ready in 2 weeks, and you will get that plot. This particular plot that I'm standing, you see, say they don't fence them already. You don't need money. You don't even need waste money. You know how many thousands of blocks we don't spend to do this fencing. You don't need extra money. As you build in 3 months, if you hold your money, you can use that erect your building, you pack it and you start living. 30 million, you transfer that money now. Yes. Tell yourself that you have it. You get the money. Whether it's there inside bank, you know the inside bank. You do your account, you know that. I say you have it. If you open your mouth now and say, I have that money now, and you call me, you will see that you will transfer that money. You will transfer it and you will get the land. And they wait for you now. I'm waiting for you, my fellow millionaire Madam Dollars. And they wait for you quickly.